Hello guys, today I've got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you the fix of that the link won't pop out. So let me show you the complete guide of how to remove the link. And first let me divide this band into the two sections, and here at first you need to take this adjustment tool and put this adjustment tool into one hole for 2 millimeters distance. As you can see now, it's out. It's right here. Let's do this thing to the second one right here, and that's how it works. Now it will pop out. Put the same distance, 2 millimeters, and now it's done. So now we've got this removed, so let me remove the link right here. 2 millimeters distance. Okay, it will be more difficult than I thought. And now again 2 millimeters distance. Remember about this distance because this is crucial to have our band working properly for all the time. As you can see here, we've got it removed. Now it's removed, and that's how it actually works. But if your band doesn't want to cooperate with you and something is wrong, you need to at first remember about this distance, because as you can see here, we've got these springs. And this is crucial that you can't damage it, and you need to just pull the same distance inside as the spring is here out. And actually this should be all for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now your link should be removed. Bye!